Very, 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 very important for cha-cha, for rumba, for samba, for jive, for paso doble, but mainly without paso for those four dances, is to arrive your heel as soon as possible to the floor. So do this exercise, and now later we go through your routine by this point. Now rock back front and land your heel to the floor as soon as you can. Heel to the floor. Heel to the floor. And heel. So sooner heel lands, better for you, because this is a rhythm. The music hits, the heel should be already there. Once heel there, we can push from the leg, we can stretch, we can use these magic buttons, we can do any kind of things, but heel must be there as soon as possible. And how we get heel? We're not putting heel leg up and drop it. We slide it from the toe to the ball into the floor as soon as we can. So for this, we're gonna do these drills exercises. Put your arm here, the free arm, and go heel. Excellent. And heel. Now, before even that, when you stay here, feel your standing left heel, yes, and use that pressure from that heel to drive your spine, yes. And when your heel lands, hopefully you land somewhere in between the leg, not too far forward, but kind of more in between, heel. Very good. The same on the side. Heel to the floor. Yeah. And here, heel. Heel land to the floor. Heel. And heel. And heel. And heel. Excellent. Now the same on the back. From here. Heel. Now to land your heel to the floor, you need to straight your knee as fast as you can. Heel. Excellent. Now, when you place that heel, make sure the heel and toe on the same line, so there is a foot placement correct. Not too much here, not too much here, just right behind the other leg. Heel to the floor. Yeah, let's do 8 counts. Heel, land, land, and land, heel. And as soon as possible, heel. Yeah, from the other side, from the side, it looks like this. Here, heel. And then you're pushing and producing the actions after that. Okay, very good. Change leg, boom. Now, even when we change here, you want to put heel and switch. Heel, switch, especially for the fast dancers. And nowadays they play very fast rumbas. Rumba, very, very similar. Now, heel to the floor, heel. And then we can push over and heel. Now, once you land that heel, use that heel to push yourself back, just for this exercise, so you can feel the power, boom. So it has to feel very, very stable. If you have 2 heel down, now it's fine too. If back foot slightly up, it's fine, but not completely finished. Yeah, the whole idea to put that heel to the floor with a straight knee as soon as we can. And heel. Excellent. And heel. And heel. To the side. Heel. And heel. And heel. And heel. Now backward. Heel. And so try to place your heel on the floor as soon as possible, but also in a correct position. So not too much open, not over cross. So heel and toe should be always on the same side line. So go and fast heel. Excellent. And heel. Also on the back, is not recommended to turn out foot too much. It has to be just 45-degree, a little bit angle. Heel to the floor. Heel to the floor. Excellent. Now we're going to do another exercise. We're going to stay here. We will send heel back, rock there, and I will send heel front. Heel. And heel. And heel. And our left foot, like it's stuck in place. And heel. And heel. And what happens after heel arrive? Then we have that continuity of the spine, of the hip action, of the chest. Only when the heel is there, that's possible to do actions. And heel, and then we can push, 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 continue with the hip, with the chest. Anything you want after the heel lands. Heel. Try to keep both legs straight after you arrive. Here, both legs straight. It's just an exercise. And heel, arrive. Fast heels, boom. And for faster you arrive, better is for us. Heel, excellent. Heel, heel. Okay, other leg, the same. Heel, and now pushing. And back, heel, and heel, and heel, and heel, arrive. After heel arrive, we can a little bit start finishing with the hip, with the chest, with some actions. And heel, and heel, and heel, heel. So heel arrive to the floor, fast or slow? Fast, very fast. Okay, so now if we take a look at the basic of cha-cha, you stay behind me, so it's easier for me to show. If we do basic of cha-cha, watch, this heel should arrive back very, very fast. 2. Then you produce actions. And now you see, because we're pushing from this foot, heel is up. Now we need to drop this heel as soon as possible on every number. 3, then we have actions. And go cha-cha, ball, ball. On cha-cha, we have ball, ball, cha, cha, ball, ball. And I'll push from this leg, this heel as soon as possible down. 1. And then you land. So heel to the floor fast. Heel. 2. And heel to the floor. 3. And now here in cha-cha we have ball, ball, so no heels. Ball, ball, 1. Heel to the floor. Fast heel. 2. Fast heel. 3. Cha, cha, 1. Heel to the floor. 2. Heel. 3. Cha, cha, 1. Fast heel. 2. 3. Fast heel. Cha, cha, heel. 1. And 2. And 3. And cha, cha. So like, you imagine you're a small band. So the drum is your heel. Then you do hip and hip producing chest. Heel, hip, body. Heel, and then you can fill out with like different instruments is the rest of the body. Now here, ball, ball, cha, cha with a little bit hip already. 1 and heel. 2 and 3. Cha, cha, 1. And when you put your heel down, it's not about how much you force apply to it. It's just get there as soon as you can. Now, back and forward. And heel. 2. And heel. 3. Now, cha, cha, arrive heel. Cha, heel fast. Cha, ball. And now from here, this heel has to get really, really fast there. 1. And then you can produce action. Heel fast. 2. And heel. 3. And ball, cha, now very fast heel, cha, and even faster that back heel. 1, heel, heel faster to the floor, and then you complete action. Heel, 2, and a heel, 3, and cha, cha, 1, and a heel, 2, and 3, cha, cha, 1, heel, 2, and 3, cha, cha, 1, heel, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So now we're gonna go through your new section, and then we will try to apply these things. So new section, you have a backward walk when you dancing with Renee here. You have a heel back 2, now heel fast 3, and you have a cha heel, you have a ball of the foot cha 1, and then you can produce this action. Keep the other arm here. This like very fast heel to the floor 2, then you can have that action 3 back heel down, 3 back heel down. So it's about this heel on the right leg. Ball, ball, cha, cha. Now here you can produce this action. But even though action is the most beautiful, you need to land this heel on the floor. 1, as soon as you can. And now hip to chasse, heel. 2, 3. Anytime you hear me saying number, heel to the floor. Now you have a ball, ball, cha, cha. And now from here, this right heel should be very important. 1. Now from here, time step is on ball, ball. Cha, cha, heel 1, cha, cha, heel 2, cha, cha, heel 3, and heel, ta, ta. So in this case, it's gonna look very technical, very rhythmical. So try that with Renee, just this section with the heel down. Go with as a part of your routine. Go and heel 2, 3, cha, cha, heel 1, heel 2, 3, arrival, cha, cha, heel 1, 2, heel, 3, ball, ball, heel 1, ball, ball, heel 1, ball, ball, heel 1, ball, ball, heel 1, and heel, and relax. Good job.